Today I'm going to tell you what's new and revolutionary on Smule in 2021, and at the end of this video you'll know what kind of updates are awaiting us in the future, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so what exactly is so new on Smule that I have to make a whole video about this? Well, there have been a few crucial updates on the app. The first update came this January and it was the Smule override feature. So what it basically is, after the huge update on voice effects on Smule, which changed into Smule styles, you couldn't sing with different effects on one song anymore. Once you opened a song with the specific effects, everybody who joined you on that song had to use the same exact effects. So Smule released a new feature which made it possible again to sing with different effects on the same song, the audio override feature. How to make sure this override feature also works on your Smule account? Make sure to check out this video where I explain to you how to do it. Shortly after that, in March this year, they brought out a completely new feature called Smule Moments. With this update, you're able to just sing a specific part, just a few lines of a song, for example a verse or a chorus. The reason behind this feature was to make it easier and faster to record something on Smule if you just wanted to save something really short. It could, for example, be useful for posts on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and others. Because most of the time on social media you don't want to show the whole song, but instead just a few seconds where you give it your best. Then pretty much a week after they came out with Smule Moments, they released face effects. So face effects means pretty much what it sounds like. It's the same kind of filter technology they use for Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. Here you can choose, for example, from different backgrounds or AR objects on your face or head, like for example sunglasses or character costumes. This feature was a predictable one, looking at current developments from other apps. This feature especially caters to the younger generation, which makes up a huge portion of Smule's users. And then there's another thing they recently updated, which is the feature that from now on you're going to be able to join any OC even if it's older than 7 days. Now that doesn't mean OCs don't expire. They still disappear from your invites list, but you're still going to be able to get joins on your OCs, or you're going to be able to join other people's OCs even if they expired those 7 days. Okay, before I come to what kind of exciting updates the future holds for Smule users, I want to announce that I'm going to be making a video on how to sound your best on Smule and how to get the most out of your recordings based on current updates. And I know I've made a video about this in the past, like 3 years ago. It's pretty outdated at this point, but you can still watch it if you want, if you click up here. So if you're interested in these types of videos and you get value out of this, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Oh, and give this video a like if you're already on it. Coming now to the future updates and improvements on the Smule app. Most of you have probably been waiting for this. Smule will finally be polishing and bringing up the quality on your Android experience. This means they're finally bringing new updates for Android devices, and therefore they're going to make Smule much more attractive for Android users. This means the sound is going to improve, hopefully the latency problem is going to be solved, and towards the end of the year you'll finally be able to scroll through your lyrics whilst recording. So you can repeat a line again and again until it turns out the way you want it. And finally, with this update, the huge gap in quality between iOS and Android is going to be much smaller. Also, another great feature that's coming very soon is going to be the enhanced privacy feature. This has been called upon by a huge portion of the Smule community because since I can remember, Smule has had a really poor blocking feature. This feature will make Smule a much safer place by not allowing blocked people to see a person's profile or activity anymore. It used to be just an interaction block, which means that those blocked people could still see your profile or activity, but they couldn't interact with you. So no hearts, no comments, and no private messages. With this future update, they hopefully won't even be able to see you anymore. And last but not least, you should really check out which are the best headphones for you to use on Smule. And if not, you can check out this video down here.